Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment which is based on the previous session where I have explained how to write absolute CSS selectors. So as part of this assignment, you need to solve the challenge that I have written here. Let me explain this challenge for you in a detailed manner. To solve this challenge, you need to first open this browser and go to a sample application page which is on my name, that is first name Arun and last name motori.github.io, then give forward slash followed by m1.html. Now, once you land on this page, you see a paragraph on this page, and also along with the paragraph, you see a button. Now, you need to write a proper absolute CSS selector locator for locating this submit button on the page. So this is what is the assignment, guys. Okay, as part of this assignment, you need to write an absolute CSS selector locator for locating the button on the page. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.